okay? You okay? Can you hear me?
As soon as the casualty does not respond to us, we ask our helpers to call the emergency medical services and go and get an AED. And in this example, we're going to assume we've got helpers there and they're going to go and find us an AED and they'll bring it back to us.
Call emergency medical services now. Remove all clothing from chest and stomach. Rip clothing if necessary. Do not touch the patient. Analysing heart rhythm. Shock advised. Stand clear. Press shock delivered. Begin CPR now. Press the flashing blue I button.
And just keep on performing CPR, 15 chest compressions, 2 rescue breaths until the machine tells you it's reanalyzing or, of course, the emergency medical services arrive.